Hey guys, I have a pretty exclusive car here for you today. It is the new 2015 Lamborghini Huracán. The Lamborghini Huracán is a super sports car built by Lamborghini that replaces the Lamborghini sales leader and most produced car, the Gallardo. The Huracán was first introduced back in 2014 at the Geneva International Auto Show. The name Huracán is the Spanish word for hurricane, which is inspired by a Spanish fighting bull, similar to other Lamborghini's model. The new Huracán was built with dramatic changes inside out, with full LED headlamps, which will ensure higher contrast in night condition, not to mention the strikingly designed LED daytime running light that will catch many attention of oncoming motorists. Inside, it features a 12.3-inch full-color TFT instrument panel, fine Napa leather and Alcantara interior upholstery, full redesign of the dashboard and central tunnel, along with a new IDS system, which is essentially an adaptive version of the parent Audi's fuel stratify injection, direct and indirect gasoline injections with engine stop and start technology. The new Huracán maintains the 5.2-liter naturally aspirated Lamborghini V10 engine from the Gallardo, tuned for 602 horsepower at 8,250 RPM and 413 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM, which can get to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. The Huracán also features the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which is Lamborghini's new Doppia Frisian dual-clutch gearbox that can perform differently depending on the mode the driver has selected, which is Strata, Sport, and Corsa mode. The Huracán also features an electronically controlled all-wheel drive, which aims to increase the traction on various surfaces and the overall performance of the car, combines with a magnetically controlled suspension system, which is used to utilize magnetoreological dampers to quickly change how the suspension acts, ensuring performance as well as usability. Up front, you quickly notice the newly redesigned LED headlight that offer an unmistakably recognizable night design and a high-tech appearance. Every light, including the double-wide daytime running light as well as the turn signal light. LED headlights are very bright and sure will bright up the road during nighttime. High-intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. At the bottom is the aerodynamic air dam that are used to direct air into the engine, at the same time give the Huracán a very aggressive front fascia. And there's the Lamborghini logo. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. There is the cornering light. The Huracán comes with 20-inch forked aluminum double-spoke design wheels with Pirelli 245/30 performance tires in the front. Behind the wheel is the huge ventilated ceramic brake disc and the large 6-piston calipers for faster stopping. Brake calipers are painted in shiny red with black Lamborghini lettering on it. Body color side view mirror. And here is a look to the top. At the bottom is the bold and sculpted aerodynamic side skirt. LP610-4 badge. Beautiful design on the rear panel as well. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and come stacked in width with Pirelli 305/30 performance tires. Behind the wheel is the ventilated ceramic brake disc and the 4-piston brake caliper in shiny red with black Lamborghini lettering on it as well. It also comes with hydraulic dual-circuit brake system with vacuum brake servo unit, as well as tire monitoring system on all 4 tires. Now the back is as aggressive looking as the front. To the back, you see the unique and stylish Y-shaped LED tail light, to match with the Y-shaped LED daytime running light. LED tail light comes with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. Below the LED tail light is the vent that directs air from the rear panel into the back. At the bottom is the aerodynamic black rear diffuser with quad round titanium tip exhaust with 3 different sound modes. Park assist and cornering light are also integrated into the rear bumper. And there's the third LED brake light integrated into the retractable rear spoiler. And here's the heart and soul of the Huracán that can be seen through the transparent engine bonnet that feature 4 composite engine bay. Okay, here's the keyless remote with Lamborghini lettering on the back. On the remote, I have the lock, trunk release, and unlock buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. And as you can see, once you have the car unlocked, the door handle will automatically retract so you can open the car, and it will blend in evenly with the car when you press the lock button. Now you can either press the unlock button or press the inner corner of the door handle to open. The exterior color is known as Bianco Monoceros, featuring unicolor Sportivo Alcantara with Neo 8 interior with red contrast stitching all around. Super sporty interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up, and see how it sounds. Okay, so with your foot on the brake, push the start button located on the center console to start. Now first we're going to listen to it in Strata mode, then Sport, then Corsa mode. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Lamborghini Huracán have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated Lamborghini V10 engine, 7-speed LDF dual clutch transmission with 3 different driving modes, Strata, Sport, and Corsa, featuring both direct and indirect gasoline injection with engine stop and start technology, electronically controlled all-wheel drive, pushing out 602 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 3.2 seconds, and hit the quarter-mile time in only 9.9 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 202 mph in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 14 city, 20 highway, and 16 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take it out for a short test drive to see how fast it can accelerate. Very fast acceleration. It gets to 60 in no time. I gotta tell you, the exhaust sound is incredible, and that is what super sport cars are about. This Huracan here have great performance and plenty of power, and it is by far the best car I've seen. So that was a great little short test drive, and here's the driver's side door panel. It is all black with Alcantara insert in the middle and red contrast stitching. There you have the side view mirror control, and it does feature folded option, door lock and unlock. There's the storage compartment. Huracan aluminum door sill. Aluminum sport pedals. And a closer look at the seat. It is wrapped in leather with Alcantara insert and red contrast stitching throughout, with Lamborghini logo embossed on the headrest. The seats in the Huracan include a standard electric backrest and longitude adjustment, or you can pick the optional full electric controlled with control for height, tilting, and link adjustment, including heated seat. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather, and with flat bottom sections, looks and feel very sporty. On the steering wheel you have the light controlled, turn signal light controlled, windshield wiper controlled. It also features multi-function control side by side for your convenience. And there's the different driving mode. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. The Huracan features the standard electromechanical power steering along with the optional Lamborghini dynamic steering. It also offers manual tilt and telescopic steering column. Here is a look at the large 12.3 inches TFT instrument panel, which visualizes all the driving and infotainment information with a high resolution of 1440 by 540 pixels. It also offers fast graphic processing time, which allows the tachometer digital needle to swing at 60 frames per second to keep up with the engine. Over to the left you have the driver's side air vent, and there's all your light control switches. Down there you have the trunk release button and hood release button. And here's a closer look at the dash with Alcantara insert. The entire cockpit of the Huracan was designed starting from the driver itself. The form follows function principle was applied diffusely in the interior. The integration of the main display in the instrument cluster gives the possibility to design a thin bridge center console with the mobile phone holder below. Now looking at the center stack, you see the dual air vent and red contrast stitching on the dash with Lamborghini badge on it. And here's your temperature gauge, oil gauge, and the battery gauge. And here you have the toggle switch for your window, the toggle switch to adjust the height, ESC off, emergency hazard light, parking assist on and off. And here's the dual climate control for both the driver and the passenger. Down here you have the multimedia control with different sources. There you have the menu button, and everything was shown through the 12.3 inches TFT instrument panel screen. You can scroll the knob around to move around screen, or you can press down to select. It is very easy and simple to use. Now the Huracán also features the Lamborghini infotainment system too, with the optional navigation system, and also include a high quality map display with 3D views that are very responsive.
Fine. Oh man, why don't you just switch to Xfinity Home? You can get real-time text and email alerts plus...
Very nice sound quality. And it also has Bluetooth connection for wireless telephone device. And there you have the volume on and off, radio, media. And down here is the start and stop button. You can flip the red button up and press the start button to start, or stop to stop the engine. Okay, here's the gearbox selector. Just pull up to get into reverse. Once you're in reverse, the rear view camera will automatically appear on the instrument panel to help with a much easier backup. And just press P for park. And there's the park and brake button. Center storage compartment with a 12-volt power plug. And here's your CD player with a SD card slot. Glove box compartment. And another look at the seat with Lamborghini logo embossed on the headrest. The seats are very sporty looking. Okay, on top you have the light control, and all lights are LED powered. And here's the rear view mirror, sun visor, Okay, now let's see what we have behind the driver's seat. Look like you can use that for some cargo space there, for small items. Now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. Now the trunk in the Huracán is located in the front. So the trunk in the Huracán looks pretty decent. I guess you have enough space for your small groceries or small items. You also have the 12-volt power plug. Now, gas cap is located on the passenger side, and with the car unlock, just push it in to open. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 23.7 gallons of fuel. Overall, the new 2015 Lamborghini Huracán is a super sport car that offers a head-turning design inside out with great power and performance. It is a machine that every man and woman envy, and offers great upholstery material throughout. Front passenger seats are very low and is very spacious. It offers plenty of legrooms. And there you have the latest storage compartment below the center console. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Lamborghini Huracán. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.